Welcome to English Digital. Today, we're going to look at a Chrome extension called SimilarTube. Now, this is a Chrome extension which can be used for finding similar channels on YouTube, and is very useful, especially if you're doing research on YouTube and research for competitors, similar videos, ideas, all of that stuff. It's an AI-based, extension which will just scrap out similar YouTube channels to what you want to search. So I'm going to show you as to how this works. So watch the entire video step by step, and the link to this SimilarTube is available in the description. You can click it and you can install it on your Chrome and start using it straight away. It's free to use. And please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and kindly share it to friends. And if you have any doubts, leave it in the comments and I'll be more than happy to reply. Okay, so let us jump right into the video and see as to how we can use SimilarTube for our daily work. Okay, firstly, you got to be logged into your YouTube channel, or in this case this channel, and already once you install it, for example, first you need to install it. I already installed it, so we just need to go to Chrome and type SimilarTube. Automatically this comes in search. So I'll search for it, but the link is in the description, so you don't have to go and choose that extension again. Okay, see, I chose a wrong website last time. Now it's SimilarTube, and here we go. This is the Chrome extension. You just click on it, and if you're searching from Google, and you will come and land on this page. Okay, so that's how you search for SimilarTube, and after you search for it, you can just add to Chrome. Click add to Chrome here, and it will add to Chrome. Okay, already have installed the extension, so it doesn't show here. Okay, and they have a nice little video here also they show as to how this extension works. So in this video, we're going to see how it works. So once you install it, for example, on this channel, already I've searched for the relevant, let's say, channels are here. If I go to this channel here and click SimilarTube, you come across this, pop-up on the side. It pops out, and you just click scan next to the channel which you are in. It doesn't have to be your YouTube channel. It can be anyone's YouTube channel, right? So once you hit scan, it will scan the entire, YouTube database and will give you the list of results. So you got to wait. So waiting in the queue. So let us wait for a few more seconds. Here we go. So started scanning. It's pulling out the results. I can see just, keeps on giving results similar. Now this YouTube channel, Wildlife Vlogs, is about, animals and, anything to do with animals. Okay. So it's pulling out similar YouTube channels which talk about animals. Of course, you're about Animal Planet, then Harlow and Family, probably another animal here, and you get a whole bunch of animal channels related to pets. So we can just click on one and see what we have in store. Let us just click this Great Link Safaris, the top search results, and upon clicking that, you see it has brought or pulled out a similar competitor channel to the one I installed SimilarTube and searched for. Okay, so so it's not it's a large channel, but that's how it works. That's how this extension works. It's very useful. Like I said, it's very useful for research. Especially now here, or done a scan, the English Digital is my channel. So if you can see similar, channels, people, talking about tutorials and, various other stuff related, which is of similar content to the channel which I have. So that's how this extension works. It's free to use, and you can, target particular, especially if you're doing influencer marketing, is very useful. You can target particular type of, users from different countries, regions, and get an idea as to who is producing similar content as to what you're doing. So it makes life easier for you to create good content on YouTube. So with that, I will, conclude this video. If you like this video, please do give it a like and subscribe. Just a useful tip, a small video, but gives you some useful insight as to how we can use SimilarTube. So until my next video, it's bye-bye from English Digital.